Hi, and welcome to recurring decimals. So with recurring decimals, numbers can often repeat forever. And in this example that you've got here, 5/6, which is the first example that we can see on our screen, example number 1. 5 divided by 6 is going to be 0.83 as an answer. But as you can see here, this answer can repeat forever. So 0.833333 and so on and so on. Whereas some other numbers are slightly different. Let's have a look at this first example that we've got here. Let's go for 2/9 as our example. 2/9. So if we divide, put the bottom number on the left-hand side, the top number will go in the box, but we just stick a 0, 0 there. And you can add another 0 on later if you like. So 9 cannot divide into 2, so we put a 0 at the top. The decimal point from the bottom comes to the top, and we join 2 and 0 together to make 20. 9 can go into 20 twice, because 9 times 2 is 18, remainder 2. Put the small 2 next to the 0 there. And again, 9 divides into 20 2 times, and again, we've got another remainder 2. This way, the answer will just be 0.2222 and 2. And you can add another 0 or any multitude of zeros at the end, if you like. So in this case, our answer, if you just round it off, is going to be 0.2. Whereas some other questions are slightly different in nature, because you can get a varied answer. So let's try example number 2. Let's go for 2/11 in this case. So with 2/11, we're just going to make the division sign. 11 goes outside, 2.00 goes inside the actual box itself. So 11 cannot divide into 2, so we just put a 0 at the top. The decimal from the bottom now moves to the top, so we can just stick the decimal there and join 2 and 0 together to make 20. So 11 goes into 20 once, and that will then give us a remainder of 9. So let's put the 9 next to the last 0 to make 90. How many times can 11 divide into 90? So 8 times 11 is 88. So we'll just put 8 there, because 11 goes into 90 8 times. 8 times 11 is 88. That gives us a remainder of 0. So we can just add another 0 here and just stick another 2 there at the end. So now we're going to divide 11 into 20. 11 into 20 is 1. And again, we have what we call a remainder 9. So if you wanted to, just stick another 0 there, put a 9 there, and do the same process again. So how many times can 11 go into 90? 8 times, because 11 times 8 is 88. And again, we have another remainder 2. So this will just carry on 18, 18, 18, and so on and so on. So that's how you do recurring decimals. Just stick another 0 at the end of the question and just multiply and just carry on as you're going along. Okay, good luck with the rest of these questions. Thank you.